Every mile I leave behind me writes another traveler's name. With the sun upon my shoulders and the night not far away, I keep rolling ever onward, hear the wheels begin to pray. From the hills of Carolina to the fields of old Des Moines, every town has left a memory, every road a tale to join. I have carried songs of strangers, I have sung my share of blues, but the highway keeps on calling, giving me no time to lose. I have seen dawnlight rising, paint the sky fiery red, and I've chased the stars at midnight till they lit the path ahead. Though the wind may cut against me and the storms may block my view, still the highway whispers softly, son, I've got a place for you. When my traveling days are over, lay me down where wheels have rolled. Let the echoes of my footsteps be the story I have told. For the gravel knows my heartbeat and the blacktop knows my name. Voices on the highway singing and they'll never sound the same. I turn the evening news on just to see what changed. Another town was burning, another border rearranged. Men who never hear the gunfire draw their lines and give commands, while children carry photographs and leave their homes behind them. Teach us how to love again. Teach us how to care. Teach us how to see a life beyond the flags we wave in air. We have spent so long deciding who should lose and who should win. Lord, before we lose our mercy, teach us how to love again. There is food enough for everyone, but still the children cry. There is medicine upon the shelf while the helpless wait and die. There are empty rooms and houses, there are families in the rain. So much sorrow made by people that no storm or flood can claim. plenty there. We have built a world of plenty, then locked the harvest in. Lord, before we lose our mercy, teach us how to love again. A child sits beneath a school desk and listens for the sound, while parents wait in silence for a name to come around. We speak of thoughts and prayers, then return to life as planned, until another hallway leaves the same blood on our hands. A soldier barely 20 is sent across the sea to kill another frightened boy who might have been like he. The powerful call it honor from rooms both warm and dry, then carve another monument for those they chose to sacrifice. Teach us how to love again. Teach us how to care. Teach us how to see a brother in the stranger standing there. We have spent so long dividing, we have forgotten how to mend. Lord, before we lose each other, teach us how to love again. Maybe peace is not a weakness, maybe mercy is not shame. Maybe no one wins a war, though one side claims the name. Maybe every hungry child is a debt we all must pay. Maybe heaven is still waiting for the things we do today. There are hands that could be helping, there are ships that could bring grain, there are walls that could be opened, there are wounds that could be changed. But prophet speaks much louder, and pride will not give way. So we watch the world keep suffering and say it has to be this way. Teach us how to love again. Teach us how to care. Teach us how to lift the fallen and divide the load we bear. There is more than enough kindness if we choose to let it in. Lord, before we lose our mercy, teach us how to love again. Teach us how to love again, though the world is tired and worn. Help us leave a little kindness for the ones who are not born. We may never heal the whole world, but the healing can begin. Lord, begin with us tonight and teach us how to love again. When the guns have all gone silent and the final flags descend, may we finally learn the lesson. No one wins until we love again.
Rolling down this lonesome stretch, headlights cut the dark. Empty lane and memory, both are leaving marks. Then the dial lands my track, that song comes pouring through, and it all comes rushing back. We danced to it in summer beneath the county fair lights. You whispered every word like the tune was made that night. Now it's only me and echoes in the hum of tires that roll. That song cracks open pieces buried deep inside my soul. That song on the radio takes me where I shouldn't go, back to arms I used to know, back to love I let slip slow. It cuts like a line I can't let go. That song on the radio. I try to turn the volume down, but silence hurts the same. Between the past and moving on, I'm stranded in the frame. Every mile is another verse pulling at my chest. That song reminds me clearly of the love I lost, the rest. That song on the radio takes me where I shouldn't go, back to arms I used to know, back to love I let slip slow. It cuts like a line I can't let go. That song on the radio. If I could change the station in my heart, I would tonight. But that melody keeps playing, turning wrong into almost right. That song on the radio takes me where I shouldn't go, back to arms I used to know, back to love I let slip slow. That song on the radio takes me where I shouldn't go, back to arms I used to know, back to love I let slip slow. It cuts like a line I can't let go. That song on the radio. Headlights fade, horizon glows, but I'm still stuck where that song goes.